Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming OBS is up to date and your capture source is active. Once done, add the game, window, or display capture and position it in the preview so you see exactly what will be clipped. Enable replay buffer or set a recording profile with a high bitrate and correct resolution to preserve quality. Make sure your hotkeys are set now so you can trigger clipping instantly. This avoids missing the moment when you start clipping gameplay or a live recording. Now you focus on recording and marking the clip. If you use replay buffer, press the hotkey to save the last X seconds. If recording, press the clip hotkey or pause, then note the timestamp. Once saved, open the recording in OBS's built-in editor or a lightweight NLE for trimming. This lets you remove dead frames and keep the moment sharp. Make sure to add metadata or markers, which helps later if you batch process multiple clips or upload to platforms with strict time limits. Finish by exporting and optimizing your clip for the destination. You should choose H.264 with a sensible bitrate and MP4 or MKV container. Convert MKV to MP4 if needed. Once exported, run a quick quality check and adjust bitrate or scale if platform limits apply. If you run into problems, check disk space and file permissions, confirm encoder drivers aren't conflicting, and examine OBS logs for errors. If corruption occurs, remuxing the file often recovers the recording. Try that before re-recording.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.